I recently discovered it and immediately began to follow it closely, and I think it has some very good prospects, and after this review you will surely agree with me. It was developed by a team consisting of core blockchain technicians as well as members of well-known casual game development companies. CTC is committed to becoming the best gamified PTE game in the world, with fairness, safety and transparency at the core of the game, and interesting gameplay with rich player benefits on the outer. CallToCombat is set for an exponentially upward roller coaster ride. Its life cycle is practically infinite, truly epitomizing the play-to-earn ideology. CallToCombat is a first-person shooter in which the player is tasked with freeing hostages and eliminating their foes. Following the successful completion of each level, players are rewarded with bounty points. In the beginning of the game, the player assumes the role of a common soldier or lieutenant and is given control of a variety of real-life firearms for use in combat. The players are given a set of objectives at the beginning of each mission, which are shown on the heads-up display compass. In order to move on to the next mission, the players must accomplish all of the objectives. The player is equipped with 2 primary weapon shots, 1 handgun shot, and can carry a maximum of 10 grenades at a given time. It is possible to barter weapons for those that have been left behind by fallen soldiers on the battlefield. The player has the ability to control mounted weapons such as the M134 Gaut 17 Gatling gun and others. In addition to the game, there are several protocols in the project ecosystem. CTC protocol or CP. The CTC protocol is a financial protocol that enables transactions to be conducted in a manner that is both simpler and more effective. It ensures holders of CTC dollar tokens to receive the most consistent profits possible inside the cryptocurrency industry. Additionally, the annual percentage rate APR for the first year is set to 1000%. CTC DAO Reserve, CDR. In the CTC protocol, the job that the CDR does is considered to be imperative. It offers essential features that are necessary for the development and continued operation of CTC. The purpose of the CIF is to aid in the future marketing of the project. Additionally, the CIF may be tapped to finance brand new products, services, and initiatives developed by CTC. CTC Banking Fund, CBF. The Combat Bank Fund, known as CBF, is a distinct wallet that is part of the CTC protocol or CP. The CBF makes use of an algorithm that underpins the rewards and is backed by a percentage of the buy and sell trading fees that accumulate in the CBF wallet. Let's take into account all the above features. When contrasted with traditional games, this is also one of the most appealing aspects of GameFi's offerings. CTC will consistently release new content updates for the game, which will include the addition of new weapons, gameplay methods, and battlegrounds or levels. These updates are designed to fulfill the ongoing demands of players while simultaneously increasing overall revenue. The game will feature many units of various weapons, maps, and characters. Please note that they are made very cool and are completely different from each other. I am glad that the developers strive to bring uniqueness even in these aspects. Also, the NFT will be integrated into the game. CTC NFT Marketplace is a decentralized exchange where players and investors can buy NFT assets directly from publisher primary market, publisher sells only a limited amount, or collect them from other participants secondary market, all in one platform. As you may have already understood, a token is integrated into the project. CTC token BEP20. The CallToCombat native token is a tradable representation of attributed utility functions that are specified in the protocol and code of the project. Its primary purpose is to operate as an interoperable utility token within the game's ecosystem. Combat token BEP20. CTC token is a native currency in CallToCombat. Combat token is a secondary token used in the CallToCombat ecosystem for specific purposes. Purchase NFTs on the marketplace, weapon collection, monthly weapon hunt, in-game activities, upgrade items, etc. Well, you can get a project token now by taking part in the IGO, which has been completed by little less than half. It seems to me that right now is the best opportunity to become part of CallToCombat. Also, airdrop is taking place now, and this is another opportunity to become the owner of CTC tokens and pay attention to the security level of the project. The smart contract has been verified by Interfi Network and is at the stage of verification by the trust auditor, CertiK. In the future, it is planned to check the game from the same auditor. And of course, in order not to miss the latest news about the stages of development, as well as about our new events, join and follow the social networks of the project. The advantage of this project is its reliability. All the information will be publicly available to all those interested, and it's also easy to trust these people because they do not hide their faces. So if you want to make profits, I suggest you join in right now. Thank you for your likes and your comments, and bye everyone.